You've probably heard the phrase, bring your whole self to work. I've heard that more and more over the last 5, 6, 7 years, maybe. What do you think about that phrase, bring your whole self to work? For me, I absolutely disagree with it. I disagree with the phrase, bringing your whole self to work. And here's why. I believe that you should be true to who you are. I believe that your personality should not change from moment to moment so people know what to expect. I believe in having a standard and a standard that people know what your standard is and you stick to it. But bringing the whole personality that is Christy Demetrakis to work, mm-mm, that's not good for anybody. That's not good for anybody. There are parts of me, there are parts of my personality that people in the workplace do not need to see, they don't want to see, nor do they get the privilege of seeing. That's all saved for James Michael Demetrakis. Bless his heart. Good, bad, and the ugly. So I don't agree with that phrase, bring your whole self to work. I believe in being authentically you because it is too hard to be somebody else. But I believe even that we have to temper a bit for the environment that we are in. That's my opinion. I'm interested in yours. Let me know in the comments.